In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for legal teams. Jira can be a great tool for organizing legal work, especially when you want a clear system for intake, review, approvals, deadlines, and team accountability. The goal is to build a setup that matches how legal requests actually move through your team while keeping everything easy to track. Start by creating a legal project in Jira. Open Jira, go to Projects, and choose Create Project. For most legal teams, a business or task management template is a practical starting point because it keeps the setup straightforward and flexible. Give the project a clear name such as Legal Requests or Legal Operations so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Next, create legal-specific issue types. In project settings, go to issue types and add categories that reflect the work your legal team handles. Examples include contract review, compliance request, legal research, policy update, and risk assessment. This helps separate different kinds of legal work and makes reporting much more useful later on. After that, set up a legal workflow. In project settings, open workflows and create stages that match your real review process. A simple example would be new request, reviewing, waiting for approval, and completed. Keep these statuses clear and easy to follow so team members always know where a matter stands. Once the structure is in place, begin creating legal requests as Jira issues. Click Create in Jira, choose the correct legal issue type, and then fill in the key details. Include the request information, the business owner, the priority, the due date, and any required documents. The more consistent this information is, the easier it will be to manage requests at scale. Then assign legal tasks to the right team members. Open the issue, select an assignee, and route the request to the appropriate lawyer or legal team member. This creates clear ownership and makes responsibility visible across the team. You can also attach legal documents directly to the issue. Open the issue, use the Attachments section, and upload contracts, agreements, or supporting files. If your team uses a separate document storage system, you can link to it as needed. To make legal requests easier to organize, use custom fields for information such as contract type, requester, business department, risk level, interpol, and approval status. These fields help with searching, filtering, and creating more meaningful reports. Be sure to track deadlines and priorities by adding due dates and setting urgency levels. Filters can help you quickly find upcoming deadlines before they become overdue. To monitor everything in one place, create legal dashboards. Go to Dashboards, create a dashboard, and add gadgets for open requests, pending approvals, overdue tasks, and workload by team member. Finally, use automation for repetitive work and control access to sensitive legal information. In automation, create rules for notifications, assignments, and deadline reminders. In permissions, limit access to authorized users and use issue security settings for confidential matters. This helps your legal team stay efficient while protecting sensitive work.